Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to refund money on PayPal. First of all, open your PayPal website and then sign in with your account. From here, all you have to do is go to the help section. From here, you have to type in refund in the search bar. Now click on how do I issue a refund. A new page will open. From here, you will get a brief description on how you can get a refund, and you can issue a full or partial refund within 180 days of original payment date. For example, I will go into my activity and here are all of my transactions, but the problem is that they all are 180 days older. If I click on any of my transaction, I will get the details like transferred from, transfer to, transaction ID. If it isn't 180 days older, I will get a button here to select issue a refund or get a refund. I will have click on it, and that's how I can refund money on PayPal. And you have to make sure that it is less than 180 days or else you won't be able to get a refund like me. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.